Well, at least the frogs are happy. They've gone quiet now. They must have seen me.
The ground is saturated underfoot and is extremely muddy. Leo doesn't like the mud. Gets stuck in his claws. As you can see, plenty of water in the rice paddies. I don't know if it is just me, but the landscape always appears to be much greener after the rains. That is Leo panting, not me.
The frogs have come back. They thought I had gone. A nice chorus. We had rain most of the night, so the frogs should be happy. There's plenty of water to play around in. Although Leo's not so happy. What a racket. Well, I think you've heard enough of the frogs.